evening, everybody. How you guys doing? Robert here with Cook for Your Wife, and today we're going to make chicken, beans, and greens soup. Sound good? I think it does. We've had it once before, but first we're going to have coffee. So I got my pan here with 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to turn on my induction top, and we're going to get that start melting. And melt this butter, and we're going to saute some onions and some garlic. So we're going to put the garlic in. 2 big cloves of garlic should do. Put the next one in. Get that cooking. You gotta love the smell of garlic. Yum yum. Now I diced 2 onions here earlier. We're gonna put 2 diced onions in and start sauteing these in the skillet. That's only if I can get them in the skillet, right? Okay. Turn this up a little bit. So while these onions are sauteing, we're going to take our stock pot here, and I got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I seasoned them with garlic, seasoning salt, and onion powder, and I baked them in the oven until they're done. And then I just chunked them up, like so, and put them in the fridge. So we're going to put those in the pot. And I got about 1.5 cups of fresh grated carrot. We'll put that in there. Two bags of frozen whole kernel corn. We're going to put those in there. Now we're going to put in 8 cups, 2 quarts of chicken broth. We're going to have some dried rosemary. My mom is named Rosemary. I'm not talking about her. We're talking about the herb. Apparently I need to get some more, huh? That was the end of it. Now we're going to finish sauteing these onions and garlic, and then we're going to put these in here with it. Then we're going to put this on the stove, and we're going to bring it to a boil. Then we're going to turn it down, and we're going to simmer it for 10 minutes, get everything nice and cooked, all the flavors blended together. Then we're going to add 4 cups of baby spinach after it's done, and with that, when we put it in there, it'll wilt the spinach, and we'll mix that around. And then we're pretty much done with this soup. You serve it, put it in a bowl, and you slice some grape tomatoes and put them on top. And then you squeeze a couple wedges of lime on top of your soup, and voila, good to go. This soup is very, very easy to make, as you can see. It took longer to prepare everything and get it ready for me to try to film it than it actually does. This is very easy soup and has very good flavor. You're going to be shocked. So we're going to put these onions in the pot and mix everything together, and then we're going to put it on the stove and cook. And then I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's all done. Hang tight, guys. I'm back, guys. I guess it's been a long day at work. Hell, I don't know. I forgot another ingredient. I did say that this was chicken, beans, and greens, right? Yeah, where's the beans at? Really? So, I got 2 cans of Northern white beans, rinsed, drained and rinsed, and we put in here. And then look at that. Now you have your beans in there. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes when it's all done. And you can salt and pepper this however you like. Everybody has a different taste. Okay. And get my soup ladle. We're going to serve some up. Put a few nice sliced grape tomatoes on top. Squeeze lime. And there you go. Chicken, beans, and greens. I hope you guys try it. I hope you like it. You guys have a great night. Thanks very much.